Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on the last video kanjani this hover effect inside Figma. So now we are going to see how to navigate between screens in Figma. So I'm going to move to this project, and then I'm going to duplicate this frame because in the home frame, which is my first screen. So I'm going to hit Ctrl D, and now as you can see kunalenye iframe ngala eceleni, and then I'm going to rename this to be next page. So rename le frame le in next page, and then because lana sakhe in the button, this button is a component, which means we are allowed to use this button in this multiple screens. So now on this screen I'm going to change the button text to be next page. Let me type next P, and then on this next P I'm going to type back. So now we have two buttons on two screens. We have two buttons on two screens. In order to make these buttons move or navigate between these two screens, I'm going to enter a prototype mode. Mangifika prototype mode, because mangihoverisha la kufuna bese sengiyabona ini I black whatsoever. Sengiklik anywhere, ngibuye ngiyile prototype mode. Mangihoverisha on this button ngiyayibona ini plus icon, ngiyayidraga ngiyisa kuna frame nayi, and then kuvela lo window ngiyasho ukuthi on tap, because ngifuna mangiklikha kuye kulelinye page ngiyacafata on tap. So navigate to next page, yebo, but I don't want to dissolve, ngifuna bani instant. Kusho ukuthi mangicafata nje ngifuna kuye kuleli page lelinye, ngisho ubunabo push nabo out what, but ngithanda bani instant. So mangibuya phinze ngihoverisha, ngiklikha anywhere and then hover on this back button, ngicafata ngisa kuphi back, kuvela lo window ngiyasho ukuthi on tap, move to home instant. So mangiplaya this thing, kufuna kusendele lento lesiyifunako, kusa refresher, sikumele ku refresher, and then kufuna bese sekuya navigate between ama screens. So nyalo kuna back, ngiyaya back, and then next ngiyaya on the next, ngiyamcafata back, ngiyaya back, ngiyaya next. So this is how you navigate between ama screens in Figma.